Well, I've had a bit of mixed luck with the XL250 here. I don't know, some of the problems I've had trying to get this thing ready to ride. So initially I rebuilt 72 engine, complete 72 engine, and then when I got it running, and it was making quite a knocking sound from the bottom. So, well, I actually wasn't too sure at that stage where it was coming from. So after running it for about an hour at total of running time, I decided to start stripping it down. Thought it might have been the camshaft, because these camshafts are just sitting in the aluminium body of the rocker cover in the top of the head. So there's no needle bearings in this particular in the first generation of these bikes. Anyway, so that wasn't the noise, so I went down further. Thought it might have been the gudgeon. It seemed to be okay, and the piston seemed to be not loose in the bore and slapping or anything. But took the cylinder off, and very carefully you could just lift the just trying to move the conrod carefully against the bottom bearing. Really carefully, you can just get a little bit of movement, just hear a little, like a tap. So I'm pretty sure that was the problem. And that's bottom end needle bearings. So at that stage I didn't have any really too sure what to do, because to split the crankshaft apart to get the pin out to get the conrod off and all, that's quite a big job. Anyway, I do have this other crank. I had this complete other engine actually. It's a 74 engine. It's actually probably a 73, 74 engine. So I had that, and that model, it must be about 74, because in 74 they changed the size of the main bearings on the crankshaft. They're slightly larger, so the crankcase halves aren't compatible with a 72 and a 74. The crankcase halves on the 72 have got smaller bearings, so they've got smaller shell sizes, so you can't interchange those. So I thought, damn, I wanted to keep it sort of authentic to 72. So anyway, at this stage I'm going to rebuild the 72 bottom end when I get some spare time and money. So I've gone and put the 74 bottom crankcase in. So that's all good. I've got all that in place. Then I had a good look at that engine. I realised that the piston was a new piston as well. So I decided to use the piston and the barrel for the 74 engine. I've just put the head of the 72 on top of the old barrel.